I'm Lori Ferrara.
And I'm Sheila Horne from Barrett Sotheby's International Realty.
And today we're back here in Bedford connecting with the community, and we're here with Lori Reyna, the owner of Salon Reyna. Hi, Lori.
Hi, ladies. Thank you so much for including us in this. I really appreciate it.
So what's special and unique about some of the services that Salon Reyna offers?
I think what's special is that we absolutely love what we do here, and it really shows. The keys to our success are the quality of the work that goes out of here. We're very particular, as well as the friendliness, the professionalism.
What you're doing is really getting noticed, and you're following a lot of trends and even starting some of your own.
Absolutely. So we have a nationally recognized hairdresser who does hair integration for women who are losing their hair or have very fine, thin hair to begin with and want fullness, volume, texture, and even length. I have stylists that are very good at designing cuts and colors based on people's bone structure, their lifestyle, and doing a very precision cut so that it falls the same way every day and makes it real easy for them to do it on their own.
So other than, hair cutting and coloring, what other services do you offer?
So we do offer full spa services, so facials, brow tinting, eyelash extensions. I'm actually wearing a natural set right now myself, and I absolutely love them.
What do you think makes Bedford a place that people want to move to?
We get to spend a lot of time with our guests. We have the privilege of learning about what they want and need, not just about their hair, but in terms of the community and their business needs. So because we're very close-knit, and I know a lot of the owners in the area, I'm able to refer guests to them, and they're able to refer to us.
Well, I just want to thank you so much for your time. And can you tell us where can people find out more about your services?
Absolutely. So they can go to our website, which is www.thesalonreyna.com.
Awesome. Well, thank you. And I'm Lori Ferrara.
And I'm Sheila Horne, and you can find us at barrettsotheby'srealty.com and follow us on social media.
Well, thank you, ladies. I really appreciate the opportunity to be part of this project. I also would like to extend a special thank you to anyone watching this video. If, when you're booking your appointment, you can let us know you saw it, we'll be able to set aside a lovely gift for you when you come in for your visit.